Are you sure you're using your air fryer correctly? Just one small mistake, and your shrimp will end up fishy and dry, even if you set the temperature and time correctly. The trick lies in the preparation, not the fryer. 90% of air fryer users get this step wrong every day. In this video, I'll share with you the trick to get it right from the start, so your shrimp will be clean, not fishy, tender, and safe for your family's health. Let's get started. Tip 1. First, locate the hard spine protruding from the front of the prawn's head. This is the prawn snout. Directly beneath the snout are the stomach and liver, so by handling this area correctly, you can clean multiple parts at once. Use scissors to make a decisive diagonal cut along the hard nose to completely remove this part. Then, gently squeeze the remaining shrimp head, and you will see the brain, stomach, and liver pushed out neatly. Next, just pull gently, and the entire black thread running along the shrimp's back will be removed in one go. This is the part that contains undigested waste. If not removed thoroughly, the shrimp will easily become fishy and unhygienic when eaten. This method is quite simple, right? Let's review it one more time. Cut diagonally at the tip of the shrimp. Gently squeeze the head, then pull out the entire shrimp intestine. You can see that the shrimp is completely clean, with no residue left behind. What do you think of this method? Please leave a comment to let me know. The first method ensures thorough cleaning, especially suitable for large shrimp with the head still intact. However, if you want a faster method without using scissors, the next method is much more convenient. Tip 2. All you need is a sharpened straw, and you'll be surprised by how effective this method is. Hold the shrimp with one hand, and with the other hand, insert the tip of the straw into the gap between the head and body of the shrimp. When you reach the right spot, pull gently, and the entire digestive tract will be neatly removed in one go. Next, use your finger to gently pull, and the black thread running along the shrimp's back will be completely removed. That's it. The shrimp is clean immediately. No need for complicated knives. Tip 3. Hold the shrimp's head with one hand and its body with the other, then gently snap it to separate the two parts. Immediately after, use 2 fingers to gently squeeze the head, and you will see the liver and stomach inside pushed out, which looks quite dirty. Next, pull along the shrimp's body, and the entire intestine will come out at once, very quickly and neatly. Remember to use scissors to cut off the sharp tip on the shrimp's head, as this part is very hard and can easily prick your hand if you're not careful. Finally, trim the shrimp's antenna to make it look neater and more appealing when cooking. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. Shrimp offer numerous health benefits, including providing high-quality protein to help build muscle, being rich in calcium and phosphorus, which are beneficial for bone health, containing omega-3 fatty acids, which are good for heart health, being high in vitamin B12, zinc, and selenium, which help boost immunity and support brain function, and being low in calories, making them suitable for those on a diet. After peeling the prawns, we move on to the cleaning stage. Next, place the shrimp in a large bowl, add 1 tablespoon of coarse salt, pour in enough clean water to cover them, and gently rub for 1 to 2 minutes to remove any remaining slime and fishy odor. Drain the salt water. Rinse 2 to 3 times with clean water until the water runs clear. Remove the shrimp to a colander to drain. Do not soak for long, and if possible, pat dry gently with paper towels. This step helps the shrimp not release water, not smell fishy, and cook more evenly when placed in the air fryer. Tips for oil-free, air-fried shrimp. First, lightly spray a thin layer of olive oil onto a baking tray or heat-resistant mold to prevent sticking. Place 700 grams of cleaned shrimp onto the tray, spreading them out evenly so they don't overlap. Add 100 grams of diced unsalted butter and 3 lightly crushed garlic cloves, spreading them evenly on top. It's wonderful that we're connected from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please click the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Place the tray in the air fryer. Set to 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 10 minutes until the shrimp are lightly cooked, the butter has melted, and the garlic is fragrant. While waiting, crack 5 eggs into a bowl. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, about 2.5 grams, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, sweet pepper. Beat well until the eggs are completely dissolved and the mixture is smooth and uniform. After 10 minutes, remove the shrimp tray. Remove any burnt or overly strong garlic. Taste again, and add a maximum of 1/4 teaspoon of salt if needed. Then pour the egg mixture evenly over the shrimp. Next, add 100 g fresh spinach, two thinly sliced tomatoes, $70 grams green onions on top. Arranging them in a thin layer so the eggs cook evenly and the vegetables don't release water. Spray another thin layer of oil. Return the tray to the air fryer and continue cooking at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit, for 10 minutes until the eggs are set and the shrimp are tender. When the dish is almost done, open the pot and sprinkle 70 grams of fresh dill. $100 grams of shredded cheese evenly over the surface. Close the pot and bake for another 1 to 2 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Just enough for the cheese to melt and release its aroma without making the dill bitter. The finished dish features tender, sweet shrimp, rich, smooth eggs, lightly melted cheese, and fresh, fragrant vegetables without any fishy taste. This oil-free fried shrimp and egg dish is suitable for many people because it is easy to make, easy to eat, and low in oil and fat. The shrimp is thoroughly cleaned so it doesn't smell fishy. The eggs are soft and rich, and the fresh vegetables make the dish light and easy to digest. This dish provides good protein from shrimp and eggs, enough to fill you up for a main meal or a light dinner. If you use butter and cheese in moderation, this is a delicious, convenient, and healthy dish, especially suitable for families and people new to air fryers. And that's the complete process for properly cleaning shrimp and preparing shrimp and egg dishes using an air fryer. As you can see, by following the steps correctly from the start, the dish will be more aromatic, tender, free of fishy odor, and not dry, even though the recipe is very simple. What about you? How do you usually prepare shrimp, and what issues do you most commonly encounter when using an air fryer for shrimp dishes? Leave a comment below so we can discuss together. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, to show your support, and share it with family and friends who use an air fryer. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, click subscribe so you don't miss out on simple tips that many people are still doing wrong every day. Thank you for watching until the end. See you in the next video.